Hello YouTube family. How are everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing great today. Today I'm going to explain 7 steps to staying motivated when learning to code. Step number 1 is make sure this is something that you want to do. Many times people fall off or stop to learning to code because they want to learn it for that moment, but on the long haul they find out they really don't want to learn code, and that's why many people stop learning code. Step number 2 is start small. Many people think they have to build these great websites or this great app where you can just start small, and I would recommend starting with free code camp where you can learn HTML and CSS to begin with and then build upon those technologies. Number 3 would be get a mentor. I have many mentors that that are in code. Have one of my mentors that I did starting out was my cousin he's in the IT field. He's a coder also, and I also have many different websites that I use. They're not my mentors, but somewhere I can go so I am accountable, or my cousin always makes me accountable so I know I'm keeping on track and everything like that. And mentors can also guide you if you're getting stuck with code. When learning to code, there are very different technologies that you may get stuck at one point, and you can always go to your mentor or to see if they can just guide you through or help you along. Number 4 is maintain a portfolio. So during learning to code, I would recommend just start building things. Just start building things and putting on a portfolio while you're learning. And when you learn those new technologies that are maybe after you do HTML and CSS, you could probably start a website, or at least the structure of the website for your portfolio with that. And then when you go on to JavaScript and some of those other technologies, you can just add to what you already have for your portfolio. So by the end of it, when you are starting to apply to jobs and stuff like that, that you'll be able to have something employers can see, and hopefully you'll get the job done. Step number 5 would be just do it. Like just start to learn to code. Coding is a superpower, and you can see where the workforce is going now. It's going where people need to learn how to code. So I would just recommend just start either free code camp, as I mentioned. You can go to edx.org also, just to start learning to code. And step number 6 is balance. When learning to code, would basically to stay motivated to learn to code, basically you need balance, because I find myself when learning to code, I'm coding all the time. I'm coding like right now, I'm coding like every day, but in some instances sometimes you need to take a break, and you need not a long break, but like an hour or two break here and there, to give yourself time. What I do to actually stay motivated and to stay on top of things is that I make sure that I at least do 2 hours of coding, and then I give myself an hour break. That way, when I do 2 more, and then yeah, that's what I do, and that's how I'm staying motivated. But you know, you'll find what's best for you. And lastly, step number 7 is be a part of the coding community. I know, like on Twitter, they have what, code newbies and ladies learning code, and some others that you can be part of the community, because we all want to help everybody who's new to coding and wants to help everybody that wants to learn code and everything like that. I am learning myself here, but I'm not an expert, but I'm just telling you that there are communities out there for people who want to learn code. So don't isolate yourself, just be part of the community, and you'll make it through. Thanks for watching my video, and you have a good day. Bye-bye.